Hello friends, we discuss about mass and weight. We have to see here how the gravity related with mass and weight. First of all, we discuss about mass. What is meant by mass? The amount of matter present in the object. The amount of matter present in the object is called as mass. Or according to Newton's first law of motion, mass is nothing but the measure of inertia. Mass is nothing but the measure of inertia. Mass is denoted by small letter m. In SI system, the unit of mass is kilogram, while in CGS system, gram. Mass is a scalar quantity because it requires only magnitude for its complete description, but it does not require direction, and therefore mass is a scalar quantity. Mass does not changes from place to place, means mass of an object is constant or is same everywhere in the universe. Now we discuss about weight. What is meant by weight? Weight is nothing but the product of mass and gravity. The weight is denoted by capital letter W. The formula for weight is W is equals to m into g, where m is the mass of an object and g is the gravity. We can calculate weight by using this formula. Suppose the mass of Raju on the surface of the earth is 75 kg and the gravity on the surface of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. Then the weight of Raju on the surface of the earth is 75 into 9.8 meter per second square is equals to 750 Newton. But what is the weight of Raju on the surface of the moon? You know that mass is same. That is, the mass of Raju 75 kg is also same on the surface of the moon. So the weight of Raju on the surface of the earth calculated as W is equals to m into g. M is the 75 kg and g, that is acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the earth, on the surface of the moon, is 1.6 meter per second square. Therefore 75 kg into 1.6 meter per second square is equals to 120 Newton. 120 Newton is the weight of Raju on the surface of the moon. From this example, we concluded that weight is not constant in the universe, but it changes, it varies place to place because it depends on the gravity. Weight is a vector quantity because force being a vector quantity, mass never be zero, but weight is zero. If the acceleration due to gravity is zero, you know that acceleration due to gravity at the center is 0, and therefore weight will be 0 but mass will not be 0. This is about mass and weight. I hope that you understand this concept, that is mass and weight. If you like this, subscribe and share to other students. Thank you.